Hello students, welcome to civics class. Last class we had discussed about the Supreme Court. Today we'll discuss the High Courts. Let's know about the syllabus, composition of High Court, qualification of judges, appointment of judges, then jurisdiction and functions, original, appellate, revisory, judicial review and court of record, then enforcement of fundamental rights and writs. So let's discuss about the High Courts. The state judicial system consists of a High Court and the lower courts subordinate to the High Court. Supreme Court is the apex court or the topmost court, then the High Courts, then the subordinate courts or the lower courts. According to Article 214 of the Indian Constitution, there shall be a High Court in each state. And according to Article 231 of the Constitution, a common High Court for 2 or more states or union territories. There are 24 High Courts in India. Among the union territories, only Delhi has a High Court of its own. The High Court stands at the apex of the judiciary in the state. High Court is the highest court in a state. For example, Odisha High Court is situated in Cuttack. Punjab and Haryana High Court is situated at Chandigarh. Let's know about the composition of High Court. As you know, Supreme Court has 34 judges. But for High Court, number of judges vary from one state to another. A High Court consists of a Chief Justice and such other judges as the President of India may appoint from time to time. The President has the power to appoint the judges of the High Court, additional judges for a temporary period, and acting judge when a permanent judge is absent. Qualifications required to be a judge of a High Court. He should be a citizen of India. He should not be over 62 years. He has been an advocate of a High Court for at least 10 years. He has held a judicial office in India for at least 10 years. Who gives the appointment to them? The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and Governor of the concerned state. Other judges of a High Court are appointed by the President and he will consult with the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the state and the Chief Justice of the High Court. That's all about today's class. Next class we will discuss about the jurisdiction of the High Court.